Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Instagram is updated and you're logged into the correct account. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile in the bottom right. Once there, tap the three-line menu, then Settings. This brings you straight to Controls. Make sure device-level notifications are allowed so changes take effect. Now navigate to Notifications inside Settings. That's where Message Control lives. I'll show you exactly which toggles to flip and why each one matters for reducing interruptions. Once in Notifications, choose Messages and Calls to reveal message-specific toggles. You can switch off message notifications to stop alerts for direct messages and also disable message requests so new unknown contacts won't ping you. For group threads, toggle group messages off or mute individual conversations by opening a chat, tapping the name, and selecting Mute Messages. Make sure to consider message previews if privacy is a concern. Turning previews off keeps content hidden on the finish by reviewing each toggle to confirm they are off, then exit Settings. You should test by having a friend send a DM or using a secondary account to verify no notifications appear. If you still get alerts, make sure device-level notification permission for Instagram is off or reset. Force close the app and restart your device, and check for pending app or OS updates. If a specific chat still rings, open that conversation and use mute. That solves stubborn individual thread notifications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.